It's bright and early. We are heading to Seattle for the weekend. It's going to be a Chan family classic trip. You can probably hear my brothers like talking in the background. We're going to head to the duty free right now to grab some stuff, and then we're going straight to Seattle. Unfortunately, Boba cannot go inside, so I'm waiting outside while my family shops. Hey, baby. So right now we are heading to the premium outlets to do some shopping with the fam jam. Guy. Yeah.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my chase. Headed for the love light.
Alright guys, we just got to Level Seattle. Let me give you guys a room tour real quick. Okay, so Mel is in the washroom, so I can't show you that just now, but I'll show you guys later. There's a bedroom right here, and then once you come here, there's a closet with some robes. And then we have a full-on kitchen going on right here. Really nice.
Very nice.
We got the sofa, we got the TV, we got a patio, and then we have a bedroom right here with a walk-in closet. Boba, come here. Come here. Hey, Tiger. Hey, Maya.
I just got a patio in there.
Look at this guy.
Scruffy man. Scruffy man.
Okay guys, so right now we are gonna go grab a lunch at Din Tai Fung because this guy is starving. So every single time when we come to Seattle, our must-go place is Din Tai Fung because our family loves it there, especially the fried rice. My brother loves it, so we're gonna go there and eat lunch.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still
can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And
Alright guys, we just finished with Din Tai Fung. We are heading to Amazon Spheres right now to check it out because every first Saturday of the month, the public can go in for free. So let's go and see how it looks like. We are walking towards Amazon Spheres. It's our first time there, or at least for me. I think Mill has been there before. So every first Saturday of the month, they open it to the public for free and you guys can go check it out. I'll put the links down below if you guys are interested in checking it. But yeah, we're just gonna walk there now. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Well, we failed.
Jessica failed. She gave us the wrong information.
So apparently we need to book it 15 days in advance for reservations, and I didn't even know that, so then we can't get inside. Very unfortunate, but we will find another time and we'll come back.
No, we won't.
I don't know when,
We won't.
but we will.
We won't. And we're gonna.
Alright guys, so for dinner we are going to Renton, which is around like 25 to 30 minute drive away from our hotel, and we are hitting up the Feast Buffet. If you guys have never heard of this before, they are a Asian buffet spot that is like super popular actually, and it's actually pretty cheap. I think it was around $30 something per person, but I don't know if they raised the price or not, but we will go find out and I will show you guys all the food. So let's go.
she left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me.
Oh, we're back here. Hello.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, okay, I know, baby. I know. I know. I'm home. You been good? You been good?
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the call in our room. Oh, everything good? Okay. Bye.
So we just got back from the buffet. I'm just chilling with Bose right now. And we're just gonna call it a night. Tomorrow's gonna be a packed day, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. So make sure to stay tuned, comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in day 2. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to day 2 in Seattle with the Chan family. Today we are gonna go check out Pike Place Market. We are also going to bring Boba, and hello, you want to say hi? Hello. So this morning we went downstairs to use the amenities. We checked out the gym, and wow, I am so shocked at how stunning and equipped the gym is. I will show a short clip like right over here, and if you guys are interested in checking this hotel out, I'll link it down below. It's walking distance to most restaurants that are really popular here in Seattle, so which is really nice. But yeah, we're just gonna go to Pike Place, and then we might go to the Stranger Things experience, but I don't know if my brothers are down for that just yet, so we will decide that later on. But we're just gonna get the day started and get ready. So let's go. We just ordered a bunch of food, over $100 worth at Starbucks Reserve, so it better be worth it.
On a steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I
We just finished with Starbucks Reserve. It's honestly a very cool spot, but it's so busy and like the lines are just like freaking insane. But right now we are going to Pike Place Market to walk around and probably potentially eat more because we're fatties. And I think Mel wants seafood and clam chowder, so.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me. She left me. Yeah, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah. Nothing can tempt me. I'm staying at the house tonight. If I get
Grabbing coffee with the fam early in the morning.
Oh.
Hi, Bobby. Oh, Boba really wants to go get coffee. Good morning. It is our last day in Seattle, and we are gonna go grab some coffee right now. Say hi, Mel.
Good morning.
Never ever meant to be so sour,
Hi,
baby.
baby.
Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, this not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice. Yeah, my fam on my spine, yeah. Green be getting sliced.